Konnichiwa, my name is Marcos Suárez. I am the wind energy manager of the Basque Energy Cluster. I would like to give you a brief overview of what the wind energy sector is in the Basque Country so that you may see if there is potential for collaboration with Basque organizations. First of all, a brief introduction of the Basque Country. The Basque Country is a small region in the north of Spain of 2 million people, but characterized by a very high level of industrialization and a high level of R&D intensity. In terms of wind energy, we have over 100 companies working in this field, 4,000 people working in wind energy only in the Basque Country, and 35,000 people working all over the world, with a global turnover of our companies of around 2,000 billion yens. What is more important, we invest annually 5 billion yens in R&D projects. To give you some context, this is a similar figure of what the European Union invests in wind energy projects in the Horizon 2020 program, which is the main R&D program in Europe. We invest in R&D, and we, as I said before, have a lot of companies, over 100 companies working in this field in the Basque Country, which is probably one of the highest concentrations of companies working in wind energy in the world. This number is due to the fact that we are home to two of the world leading companies in wind energy, like Iberdrola, an utility that is the main renewable producer in Europe, and Siemens Gamesa, which, as you probably know, is one of the worldwide leading turbine manufacturers. But not only that, the fact that we have these two leading companies working in this field since the early 90s means that we have developed a complete value chain of companies working in wind energy. We are home to manufacturers of almost every single component of a wind turbine, but we are also home to service providers working in the field of operation and maintenance, working in the development of products, of components that are used in services such as drones, such as lifting equipment, and so on and so forth. And last but not least, we are also very involved in the development of the floating wind energy. We have around 4 companies working in the development of floating wind platforms, which is a huge number for such a small region, and also many suppliers working in the current demonstrative or pre-commercial wind farms, floating wind farms all around the world. So that's a quick overview. We are very happy to collaborate with Japanese organizations. I will be very glad to put you in contact with Basque companies for that purpose. So, arigato gozaimasu.